Guys, I will unboxing of this superhero, guys. Wow. Guys, do you know this superhero name is Venom? Wow, this is Venom, guys. Wow. What a beautiful superhero this is. Venom. Wow. Guys, this superhero name is Hulk. Wow. This is very powerful superhero Hulk. Wow. Guys, do you know what is the name of this superhero, guys? What amazing and very beautiful face look of this superhero. Guys, this is Superman. Wow, this is Superman, guys. Wow. Guys, do you know this is very beautiful superhero, guys. This is Spiderman. Wow, this is Spiderman, guys. Wow, what amazing. And guys, this is very exclusive superhero. This is Superman. Wow. Guys, this is action figure and fighting hero. Guys, check the muscle of this superhero, guys. This superhero name is Goldberg. Wow. Guys, this excellent and very powerful, very classical superhero name is Hulk. Wow. Amazing, guys. Guys, this is Spiderman. Wow, what a unique superhero, guys. This is Spiderman. Guys, this is very fancy look of this superhero. Guys, this is Thor. Wow. This is Thor, guys. Amazing. Guys, this is the action figure and fighting hero. Guys, this is Edge. Wow, what a beautiful superhero, guys. Guys, do you know what is the name of this superhero? Guys, this is Captain America. Wow.